Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little Father's Day gift. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this dollar store mug, and I'm going to take some of my scrunchy ribbon, and I'm just going to use this as a bottom fill for my gift mug. And then what I'm going to do is just take my barbecue socks, which I think are really cute for a man's gift or a Father's Day gift. And I'm going to do the same thing in here and just scrunch that down. And then what I'm going to do is take my candies and just put those on the top. So he's got the socks and the candies. So it's a cute little mug. The next thing I'm going to do is take my cello. And with the cello, you want to cut it big enough so that you can take the ends and bring them up at the corners. And so that's what we're going to do here. And then what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to scrunch that in here so that when I bring it together, which I'm going to do here, and I'm just going to use my fingers and pull this all in. Bring this up here and pull it all in. And then I thought I had a piece of, oh, here we do. I have a piece of Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm just going to bring it around, and I'm just going to tie it, and we'll knot it. And then I'm still not finished with the cello yet. So now I'm just going to clip my bow wire, and I have my, I'm just going to pull everything up here a little bit, and I'm going to just take my cello, and I'm just going to clip it across so it has a nice little even top. And I'm going to put this aside for a second. I'm going to grab my Bowdabra, and I'm going to take another piece of my wire. I'm going to fold it in half and lay this down into the Bowdabra, tuck the ends underneath, and then I'm going to grab my scrunchy ribbon, and we're just going to make a scrunchy bow. And I'm going to add in some of my twinkle ribbon, and we're going to make another color of the scrunchie because this matches my cello, which has the maroon in it. And I'm just going to tie a knot. So this is super simple to make. And pull it tight, separate, whoops, send that Bowdabra everywhere. Separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to just tie a knot, and we'll double knot it. And if you're watching for the first time or you haven't yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So now I'm going to take my bow, and I'm going to just tie it onto my my gift mug, and we'll just tie it tight here. And I'm just going to tie a bow in the back so you can see what I did. I'll just turn it around, but whoops. I probably could have done it better if I wasn't watching. So I'm just going to tie a bow here, and you can see that I've just tied a bow. I'm going to put it aside, and then I'm going to take another piece of my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm going to just clip it and lay it down, fold it in half into my Bowdabra. And we're going to do the same thing. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and also please mark your calendars because every Monday we do a live on YouTube and Facebook, and we give away always to anybody watching our live has the opportunity to win a free roll of ribbon, which is very cool. And that's on Mondays at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific, and that would be 5 Mountain and 6 Central. So I hope to see you there, and we'll just tie that, tie a knot, and I'm going to just tie this onto the other side and bring this through here. And make sure I have my bow tied on there. And I'm just going to bring this around, and I'll just tie another little bow. So if someone wants to keep the bows that we made, they can just take it off and keep the bows. Bring this through here. So now we're just going to shape we'll bring our scrunchy ribbon up, and we have our cute little bow there. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to form my scrunchie up. And now you have this super easy to create gift for Dad. It's a great Father's Day gift, or really an anytime gift for your father.